Hi folks, Kenny from ScotPhil here with a long-awaited video update. There's something about Scotland, there's something about the Philippines, there's an update on entering the Philippines, and some drone footage. So, let's do this. Okay, quick update. My mother passed away in October, and as per her wishes, there was a simple cremation a couple of weeks later, with a service come memorial held in November, to allow various family members like myself time to get there. So I was out of here on November the 17th, flying from Clark International back to Glasgow and bussed it to Dundee. Brr, it's cold. The service took place on the 26th, scattering her ashes on the Dundee Law in the same place as my father in 1999 and my sister in 2016. I also got this footage of the house and the law behind it as I stayed on for another week and a half to help with clearing some stuff out. Actually, a lot of stuff, and there's still a fair bit to go. My brother is executor and I've got a bundle of items to be sent here already set aside. I'm not expecting to have to go back again unless there is something legal that I have to attend to. Met up with a good number of friends while I was there and had a few nights out in various watering holes both in Dundee and down the ferry. Time to return. And I flew out on December the 7th, just in time, as it was getting even colder and some airport runways were closed a few days later due to the snow and ice. Glad to be back in the Philippines. The last of the rainy season seems to have passed, and temperatures are at the usual 25 to 35 mark. Struggled a bit with sleep to begin with. Probably a mix of jet lag and converting from single-figure temperatures for almost 3 weeks. Plenty of jobs to do at the house here, lots of little things, and a few others, many of which I can take care of, and then the owner comes back around March and we'll work together to get the rest done. In between all that, I'll be hoping to get back out to the flying club and see about doing my instructor's course. And also, I'm still looking at properties in the general area here around Angeles, Mabalacat, Magalan, etc. Etravel. What is it and what do you have to do? Firstly, you only go to etravel.gov.ph. It's the only official website and it's free. Remember, etravel.gov.ph. This needs to be filled in with your travel details, so have at the ready your passport, flight tickets, original vaccine dates. They ain't interested in boosters. It shouldn't take any more than 10 or 15 minutes and it has to be completed by everyone. Any time within 3 days of your intended arrival. Filipino, foreigner, vaccinated, unvaccinated, long-term stay or vacation. It doesn't matter, everyone. But there is no further need for PCR or antigen tests for those that are already vaccinated. At the end of the application you will get either a green or red QR code. Green means you are compliant with all requirements and you should be able to pass through without any problems. I did, it was quite easy. Red QR code is mostly if you're not vaccinated or if you have some missing details. In this case, you will be manually processed. And if you have to quarantine, it's for 5 days, with a PCR test to confirm you're negative. More details and answers are on the website. There you are then. No, I haven't disappeared, gone sick, or anything else. Just a bit busy with repairs here at the house, travelling back and forth to Pangasinan every fortnight, and a couple of unexpected trips to Manila. Keep watching the channel and don't forget to click that like button. Any questions in the comments down below and I'll try to answer as quick as I can. Till next time, stay safe, stay well. See you soon, hopefully.